So I first want to start off by saying thanks for joining the video. Thanks for clicking in. All right, so this is my first review with this format. If you are new to the IT industry, or if you've been in the field for like 15, 20 plus years, this is a great video for you to still watch. Um, get some insightful information on. It's very insightful. Let's see here. He's known for writing a book on Kubernetes. While he does not have, he talks about how he doesn't even have he's not even certified in it, but he wrote the book on it. But you could like take from that what you want. But like I said, this is highly recommended for anyone in the field. Either if you're not in the field, if you want to just know how the ins and outs of operations and development works with projects and software development life cycles. This is great info for beginners and people who are veterans in the game. So let's just check it out. I'm going to stop here and there to give my take on it if I feel it suits us.
You're DevOps engineers now, 20 years of one-year experience. Serverless for everything. Kubernetes has been boring for 6, 7 years. I like silos. I see a lot of people that are like senior engineers and junior humans. And so when I hear this AI world,
Hey everyone, today we are going to talk about DevOps with a pure legend, Kelsey Hightower. It's me, Ruslan, and Ernst from JetBrains. We are sitting in JetBrains office. Hey Kelsey, you are the person who shaped the vision and engineering skills of so many people who were doing infrastructure, automation, cloud-native systems. Great to have you here.
great to be here. I don't know whether to be honored by that or should I apologize for, influencing so many people.
Definitely honored. So let's start. The first question, we're not going to talk about the past of DevOps. Let's talk about DevOps in 2025. I do even feel a little bit weird because we've been talking about that so long. But some people say that DevOps actually is in a dead end because the original idea, the original manifesto, the original concept was about making collaboration across all the software development lifecycle, right? But what we ended up with another siloed DevOps team, and some say DevOps engineer, right? Running around the pipeline, punching other people to collaborate. So how do you think, do we still have chances to bring the original DevOps idea back to life?
So yeah, as you can see, this video is well over an hour long. So I watched it already. I'm not gonna go ahead and review the whole thing with y'all, but like I said, I highly recommend you guys checking it out. You can learn a lot from it. You can actually, okay. So while there are tools that may be in high use right now, while they may not be in high use maybe 5, 10, 15 years from now, it's still good to you know become very adept at that training, because once you like master that tool, then additions after that one will be easier to grab. So that's one point that they make out in this. But yeah, hopefully this volume is good. I'm really also trying to